Sabo bona police. Police. Lwaki bandobera okuyingira wano?
Okuwuliza omusango kooti ya public lwaki batulemesa tobona baletere mukamaiba obuzibu titali mu office lwa bintu oti nebyo ebiza mu makulu they should know their role bavuwe mu bintu ebitabagemaako.
A simple one, by that, because I'm running away. Okay. Yes, omulamuzi wa kooti registrar wa kooti eidinda olwaleero luno ayikiriza n'okwekubira endulu kwa Busoga Kingdom nti baali baligezaako okozesa kooti okola ebintu ebyambooni ebityobola amateeka. So kooti egobye consent Muzeyi Columbus niba mwami Munulo niba Yasin baali bagezezaako okusimagolinga mu kooti yabalagira nti waliwo ebintu bingi ino ebitali kiriya mu maiso ga kooti nga byetaaga okunonerezaako. So kooti egobye okusaba kwabwe nti bayikirize bo bayikanie ni Columbus yabalagira nti tuireyo mu kooti ewuliriza omusango mu bungi bwagwo buli omu aleeta obudulizi such that omutuufu kooti eri mu lamula mu bwire bwayo. So okusaba ko bayenze kooti ekugobya mu butongole. Consent judgment bakweta okwikania kundu.
Yes, and with time has been the law, that's how law is applied.
The ruling was that the magistrates could not take a stand to take a judgment, saying that this thing, there are things that are lacking that makes him not to completely make what? A proper judgment. And therefore, he was requesting a further process of mediation to go there before the final judgment is looked at. So what we have to understand today, that the ruling has not what? Has not been taken, has not been endorsed by the judge. And saying a mediation process must be. They too breached the Busoga Constitution, Article 6, which stipulates the procedure of electing the Chabazinga on the demise of the existing one. Eyo na bajimene yekumye ibiri kubanga yekumye ibiri ragira bulungi ngebe tulonda ekoba nti Chabazinga banafanga wenda kubanga ena kuchikaga mona kwenkaga sebalangira aliwo alonda ibo obutufu aida kulondanga ki omuntu john procedure of Busoga Kingdom. That means we are fighting for something that will never end. Busoga is a constitutional monarchy abantu abana kwamba byanono byaki nendo bakobera nti muri 1919 ezire yalwana kutekawo kingdom ya Busoga. Kingdom ya Busoga yali kuisania nge bakola kutana ki na amani batesa bayisania era buli omu yali ezire asinga mwine buli omu yali n'obuyinza bwe paka balonda ezekete nyawo wako ngacha bazinga uva 19 paka 1949 30 years ngafuga. So it is Obusoga gobi aiba kobi eje mediation eri okutegeragana eyindi esobola okunoneleza amazema n'ekintu bana abali kuwabira n'abatuufu bebaabira bali kuwa konse n'abatuufu balonde batya ye ediri kolada na ntuufu group edine ngadiriwo memali babone baba designinga obadi ba designing kayo lwalero alobi atengula kunge bemaza okiribawo tasobola kola kusaininga
so imali kibako si if chituko solundi kwakuba chikutumandira time kubanga in this world we are not stones. We have the time and we need to serve when we are in this world. So if something goes on like that on galloping or leaps and bounds, it is not okay.
Ibaire omukoti olwalero nze ndi musanufu nakyo nga abasoga abenda Busoga okujja mu maiso abenda Busoga okujja mu maiso n'enkulankulana